Hey YouTube, is this recording? Yes it is. I'm gonna be the cameraman this time. That's Peyton. David with his pistol. Angela with his mini guns there, gold and silver and pistols. And here's old Joseph.
Hi.
Hey Joseph.
Hi.
Alright, players ready?
Yep.
5! Get your eye protection on, sir. 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Fuck it!
That's one hit on, and we're playing 2 hits each.
Hit me right below the eye.
Ange.
Joe said I got hit below the eye.
No, that's Angelo.
Oh.
Angelo, remember there's a rule that Jesus. You can't excessive blind fire.
What'd you say?
Eagle Scout! Eagle Scout!
I don't know what that means.
Let me see what we have planned!
But I can't do that 'cause I'm already over here.
Ow!
I think Angels got hit.
No, he got hit before. Alright, that's one on each of you guys.
Twice. One by David's gun. So
You've been hit twice?
Yeah.
Oh, then you're out. Alright, get out. You're out. Alright, these guys won this one, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to probably have a couple more games.